Box of Dominion. Oh my goodness, I did not open the freaking cylinders. I just pulled a Janton. Oh, Subi, good question. I do not remember. I just numbered them 1 and 2. Good question. Oh, maybe. I don't remember flop because I took them both off and I numbered them, but I don't remember if I numbered the top one. I'm not sure at all. We got a 1-on-1, and it's in an odd spot, and I think I know where it's going to be. I could be wrong, but I think I know what spot that's going to be. This is going to be interesting. Oh, let me number these cards real quick. I like to do that before. Sorry about that. I just want to get that done. Alright, see there's a base on the back, and there is, and it's upside down. Weird. Alright, base of James Reimer. James Reimer. Yaroslav Halak. Base. Next up, rookie auto to 199. Oh, I'm sorry, to 161. Kyle Palmieri. He has a weird numbering. 161, Kyle Palmieri. Next up, nice on-card autograph, Brian Elliott, number 28 of 50. 28 of 50. Next up, Signatures Sapphire. These are the 5, I believe. And I believe it's just the base number, so let me check. Let me know, but I'm pretty sure, yeah, those are just Sapphire. Sapphire's number to 5, I think. Out of 10. There you go. Oh my lordy. Signature Sapphire. Card number 35, Pavel Datsyuk. Pavel Datsyuk. Next we have a 1-of-1. 1-of-1 rookie patch auto plate. 2-color patch. Thomas Tatar. Rookie patch auto, or I'm sorry, rookie patch, yeah, plate. It's not auto, but yeah, that's what it's from. The rookie patch auto. Next, jersey of Daniel Alfredson, numbered /99. Next, very nice nameplate, 3-color patch, 3 of 25. Sam Gagner. Sam Gagner, 3-color patch. Next, we have a rookie auto gold, number 2 of 25, Richard Bachman. Bachman for the Dallas Stars. Gold. And a jersey of Luke Robitaille, number /99. I do not believe so, Bob. There was no silver. No, I don't think so. Not by the looks of it. Plates typically are not. Because Panini was smart. And they realized that people love the plates, but they don't want them to replace one of their big hits. There's a couple of these. Jan, I'll go with it. You said 31425. 31425. Alright. 3. Card number 3. Coming up. Yellow Subi 03. Subi, I'm gonna smack you so freaking hard. Seriously. Well, I don't. It's not obvious. With that sapphire, it's not obvious. I'll wait till he tells me. Yep. To me, this is not a no-brainer. Sapphire is Pavel Datsyuk. The plate. Okay. Next up, number 1. Browner. Browner, number 1. Bob. Browner, you are up. So 1 spot left in the second box of this. Datsyuk? Good call. I would have 2. Next up, Josh Bang 123, card number 4. Josh Bang 123, card 4. Four-color patch, Brian Elliott, number to 50. Kyle Palmieri, the backman is a gold. Rookie auto, number to 25. The patch is numbered to 25, I believe. Yep, 3 of 25, Sam Gagner. Beautiful patch. I'll say that. Perfect. I like Josh. He always goes with what his heart feels. Number 2, Ask the Preds fan. Card number 2. Elliott, beauty. And then Browner, you're up. You get 2 picks. 2 picks for you, Browner. We've got the backman is gold, number to 25. Palmieri is that weird numbering, number to like 151. Jersey of Robitaille and Alfredson. Both of those numbered to 99. You're good. So 1 spot left in the last box, guys. I mean, this box was pretty good. The 101 saved us. Printing plate, I would say. And then Preds fan, you're going to be after him after he picks 2. Oh, and I think we're full on the last one. Preds, did you pick up one in the last one? Yep. Alright, we're full. So don't buy any spots. This last one's going to be nice. Backman and Robitaille. Alrighty. Preds, Kyle Palmieri auto, Alfredson jersey, and then 2 base cards. The auto. Alrighty. Josh, jersey of Alfredson, base of Halak and Reimer. Browner. Nice. No auto. We got 2 base and a jersey, sorry. Go jersey. Alright. Preds. Wait, did I do that right? No, Browner, I'm sorry. Browner, you want Halak or Reimer? Halak or Reimer? Halak. And then Subi, you've got Reimer. There you have it. Here we go. Box of Dominion Draft Style. Good luck, everybody. Last box of the case. Looking for some boom in here. It's pretty loose. Everything's wiggling around pretty good. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, and one of the case sets is in here, which is the private signings. Forgot about that guy. Wait, no. Subi already got one of those. There's two in here. Weird. Because I think you got a Guy Lafleur. Base on the back. Yes, there is. Here we go. Jonathan Taze. Base. Dion Phaneuf. Base. Next, was it Sapphire? Yep, 10 of 10. Mark Stahl Sapphire base. 10 of 10. Next, TJ Brody rookie auto. Number to 199. Next, gorgeous rookie patch auto, 3 colors. Numbered 51 of 99. Braden Shen. Rookie patch auto. Braden Shen, 51 of 99. Next, man, he's been haunting me because I can't hardly say his name. Cornoyer, private signings. Next, championship gear, numbered 40 of 50. Jordan Stahl. Got some funny texture to it. Next up, Patrice Bergeron, number to 99, Joyzy. Next, we have a jersey number patch, number 16 to 25, Ilya Bryzgalov. And a jersey of Drew Stafford, number to 99. So this one has 10 again, so everyone gets 2 again. I think I know the top pick. Just on a hunch. And then base cards with the sapphire down here. Alright, first up, number 3. That extra spot helped you. Ask the Preds fan, and that was your second spot. They got that. Because my pen ran out of ink on the D, so it looked weird. Ask the Preds fan. Preds, I would go with Shen all day, but I'm not, you know, you. Yeah, it's sick. Alrighty, next up, number 5. Oh, sorry, 5 is Browner. Browner. Number 5. Private signings. Alrighty. Next up, number 1, Yellow Subi 03. Number 1, Yellow Subi. Yep, Preds, that's about the ballpark area for those. The Stall. Alright, PC. Next up, number 4, Josh Bang 123. Josh, We got a Brody rookie auto. This Mark Stahl Sapphire is number 10 of 10. And the Briz is a patch number to 25. The private signings was Ivan Cornoyer. I'm telling you how it sounds. I hear it's Cornier. Man, that is not what the other Canadians told me. They must have been jacking with me. Coin-YA? Josh, what do you guys think? The Briz? Who's Mr. Universe? Is that Briz? Alright. There you go, Josh. And the last one, number 2, Ask the Preds fan. Ask the Preds fan, card number 2. Well, 2 jerseys and an auto. Sapphire? Okay. And another one. 2 picks for you. And the auto. The Brody. Alrighty. Josh is up. And I'm giving him the Bergeron from Boston. No questions asked. Subi? Jersey or one of the base? Browner, would you like Dion Phaneuf or Jonathan Toews? Dion Phaneuf or Jonathan Toews? Toews and Preds, you got the Phaneuf.